ONDS Stock Analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. I am the only person in this space with 41,000 videos made and documented. It's taken me 5 years to come to this point, but at least I've seen what's working for me and what is not. Ondas Holdings, I'm a big fan. Like 23% increase. It's such a crazy good from like pull up and whatnot. Like all I'm looking to do in this particular instance is buy more. Like people are gonna come out here and just trying to overcomplicate stuff. But yeah, this is my demand zone. And only if I do see the price actually pulling down a bit lower and then giving me some sort of a shift, that's the only time where I'm actually going to begin buying. Other than that, randomly getting involved in longs is not going to be happening. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, just click the first link in the description, get my free emails. And I'm not sure if I have previous, but I sure have previous receipts here. For sure. Yeah, it's good. So see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy. If you want my free insights, check the first link in the description. Goodbye.